Hi friends! Welcome to Momo TV Kids! Watch our videos and don't forget to like and subscribe!
Carrot. This vegetable name is carrot. Onion. This vegetable name is onion. Tomato. This vegetable name is tomato. Radish. This vegetable name is radish. Beetroot. This vegetable name is beetroot. Eggplant. This vegetable name is eggplant. Pumpkin. This vegetable name is pumpkin. Bell peppers. This vegetable name is bell peppers. Okra. This vegetable name is okra. Chili peppers. This vegetable name is chili peppers. Peas. This vegetable name is peas. Green beans. This vegetable name is green beans. Leek. This vegetable name is leek. Garlic. This vegetable name is garlic. Ginger. This vegetable name is ginger. Cassava. This vegetable name is cassava. Bitter gourd. This vegetable name is bitter gourd. Drumstick. This vegetable name is drumstick. Bottle gourd. This vegetable name is bottle gourd.